Good afternoon, everyone. I am Christina Daly from the Department of ECE. In this lecture series, I am going to tell about cyclic codes. Already, we have discussed about the various types of the codes. Now I am going to explain about the cyclic codes. So this is the explanation of the cyclic codes. Here we are using what is the process behind using this cyclic codes, and what are all the visual aids, analogies, and what are the core method for the data protection. While coming to the empathy part, suppose if we want to transmit a data, so without errors we have to rectify the data. So the main thing is we have to ensure the information whether it arrives safely or not, and the next thing is we have to ensure the reliable data transmission. So we are having various types of the methods. So here we are going to see the difference between the cyclic codes and the other methods, and how we are going to rectify all those errors. Suppose if we are going to protect the message, what types of codes we are using, and how the data can be easily used for the reliable purpose. What are cyclic codes? Just we are adding the extra information to detect and fix errors during the transmission process. So this is termed to be as the cyclic codes. Here we are having the various parts in the ideate. Here we are going for the checksums. In the checksums, we are going for the various types of the error detection methods, and what are all the principles we are using, and we are seeing the reliability, how it has been transferred, and it is also known as the advanced error detection techniques, how we are relating the checksums to the cyclic codes. So the next one is the prototype. Suppose if we are using the prototype, we have to select which is the best method for the error detection in data transmission. Suppose if we are using the repetition, it is very simple, but at the same time it is inefficient. The cyclic codes, the efficient, and the data has been calculated in the cyclic codes. This is the difference between the previous codes and the cyclic codes. While coming to that of the decoding and encoding part, suppose we are receiving the data, that is received messages. While receiving the messages, some noise has been added. So here we have to rectify that errors. It may be 0 or 1. 1 may be changed to 0, or 0 may be changed to 1. Again, it is given to that of the cyclic coding. So in cyclic coding, we are having the error detection and error correction techniques. So we are applying that concept here, and finally we are rectifying the messages. If it is corrected message, there will be free data output. What are the benefits of the cyclic codes? The first one is the efficiency. The information may be added and it will minimize the extra information. If it is a reliability, automatically we know that the messages arise correctly. It ensures the messages. The third one is the speed. It allows the encoding part as well as decoding part. So these are all the benefits of the cyclic codes. The cyclic rotation property, here we are using three properties. The first one is the original message, and after that it is given to that of the rotate and shift property, and finally it will check whether it is a valid code or not. Real world applications, where we are using the cyclic codes means CD and DVDs, computer network, satellite communication. While coming to that of the CD and DVDs, it is used for the storage and play backup. Computer networks means it ensures the reliable data transmission. SATCOM, it facilitates error-free signal transmission. Impact of cyclic codes. In order to secure the digital communications, we have to follow some of the some of the methods, that is error detection, error correction, data integrity, and the modern communication. So this is the mind map for the cyclic codes. What are all the benefits and what are all the applications, whether it is reliable or not. These are the assessment questions. The cyclic code is always a linear code where the cyclic shift of a code word is also a code word. At the same time, the primary characteristics which distinguishes from the cyclic code is every cyclic shift of a code word is also a code word. Thank you.